When the woman left a note saying, FYI, if I'm dead, here's how it's gonna happen, and then it happens exactly like that, I think someone should pay attention.
In my opinion, there can be no doubt that she was actually murdered.
As she used to say to me, I'm trouble to them. I won't go away. I won't go quietly.
I think it was an opportunist killing.
You've got the ultimate cocktail of danger for the British establishment.
If you want to be like me, you've got to suffer. Yeah, you have to. And then you get what you want. No, get what you deserve, perhaps.
How is it that every single traffic camera in that tunnel was switched off or not working?
I think it was murder.
Historically, the relationship between the royal family and the courts has been difficult, mainly because every judge has taken an oath of allegiance to the Queen.
The British establishment think that they have got away with murder, but then what's new? They've been getting away with murder for centuries.
I don't think many people would want me to be Queen, actually. When I say many people, I mean the establishment that I'm married into.